Hey there, fellow traders and investors. Today, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of bullish and bearish patterns, learning about the National Stock Exchange, NSE, and the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, and gaining insights from the wise words of investment gurus like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and Warren Buffett. Let's start. You know those patterns that make your heart skip a beat? Well, in the stock market, we call them bullish and bearish patterns. Bullish patterns like the cup and handle and the head and shoulders indicate that stocks are on the rise and prices are expected to soar. On the other hand, bearish patterns like the double top and the descending triangle suggest a downturn, signaling that prices are likely to drop. Now, let's talk about our home turf, the NSE and the BSE. These stock exchanges are the heart and soul of India's financial landscape. With over 5,000 listed companies and a combined market capitalization of more than $3 trillion, they offer a buffet of investment options for us savvy traders. If you're finding it helpful, hit the subscribe button. Imagine companies issuing shares, inviting investors like us to join the party and be part owners. We're like the cool kids on the block, sharing in the company's profits and growth. But before we take the part, let's do our homework and get to know these companies inside out. It's like building a solid friendship, you got to know who you are getting into business with. And how can we forget the legendary investors Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and Warren Buffett? These folks have left a trail of financial wisdom behind. Rakesh, also known as the Big Bull, often emphasized the importance of thorough research before making investment decisions. While Warren Buffett, the legendary value investor, stresses the significance of long-term vision, stating that, our favorite holding period is forever. Did you know that the Indian stock market is no small player, my friends? It's among the top 10 largest stock markets globally, with an average daily trading turnover of over $100 billion. Remember, the stock market is like a rollercoaster ride. But with a bit of knowledge and a whole lot of strategy, we can ride those waves like pros. Diversify your portfolio, stay disciplined, and keep learning from the best in the business. Knowledge is power, and in the stock market, it can make all the difference. Want your topic to be covered in the next video? Write it down in the comment section, and we will try to make a video for the same. We're here to help you navigate this thrilling financial adventure. Happy investing! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Academ IQ.